Up top side, these are the surge bins. You can see where the pneumatic lines come into the tops of them. They're about 5 by 5 plus the cone. Once again, they're in very good condition. Cocoa nibs is not corrosive, so these bins are in good shape. And down here on the end, since there was some dust associated with the operation, is this nice little rotary bag house. It would catch the dust, and then it has air lines. It's like a micropulse air. It would shake the bags down. It's made by Torrid. It's a removable cartridge type bag house. Once again, you can see the aluminum decking up here.